Hi everyone, my name is Swati. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share you a designer based tips and tricks with which you can always make your home look decluttered and organized. I know it's hard to maintain a decluttered, clean and organized home, but these are few designer based secrets with which you can make your home look clean, decluttered and organized, which is going to stay that way for a very long time. So without wasting any time, let's jump right ahead into it. And before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe to see many more videos like this.
So first one is have a dedicated space for everything in your home. By that, I mean everything we have in our home should have their own fixed place, like dishes in dedicated crockery unit, books in fixed shelves, kitchen cabinets and drawers, bed setup, or even your bathroom towel rack. Everything should have a place, so we are less likely to see any visual clutter around. Next up is choosing a monochromatic and neutral color palette. Colors like grey, beige, soft whites, neutral greens are monochromatic colors which make a room look visibly clean. By monochromatic color, we mean the earthy, neutral and warm colors which are already there in nature. It's not that we cannot add colors, we can definitely add colors, but in a more cohesive way, and that too in fixed proportion, like a dark green accent wall or some floral accent furniture pieces, but keeping a proper balance in other areas. Now moving to the third tip, do it instantly and make that a habit. In a daily routine, we do a lot of things at home. It sometimes make our room look cluttered if the things are left as it is. So better put it right back at their places as soon as we are finished. This is more like developing a habit, like setting up your bed as soon as you are leaving. A clean bed always uplift mood. Similarly, cleaning table after every meal, keeping your toys in toys basket, hanging clothes on their rack. All these can lead to an uncluttered, clean and organized home that you wanted. Buy things which is actually needed and not just because you liked it. We all love shopping, but buying too many things can ultimately lead to a small uncluttered home. Better look into your space and see what exactly is required. For example, for a living room you need sofa, chairs, light, rug, and for dining table, chairs, cabinet and some accent pieces. This way you create a spacious, clean home which is always inviting and welcoming. Moving on to the last tip, discarding or donating old unused items. We all have old unused items, but if you are buying new things, you have to discard old one as well. Things you have not used over 5 years or more, you are not going to use it forever. So better donate it to someone needy and get a free, clean and organized home for yourself.
Alright, that comes to the end of our list. Hope these are useful for you too. So if you like the content, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see many more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.